Hi all, welcome to Creations by Nadine. My name is Nadine. Thank you for coming by. I hope you enjoy the information I share with you. Have a seat and get your tools ready because I will be teaching you how to make all kinds of things. Right now it's crochet tutorials with a plan to move into beaded crochet, bead weaving, chainmail, tatting, paper quilling, and much more. I will be trying to keep up with a tutorial every 3 days with a live stream a few times a week. When I get more viewers, I will be scheduling those as well. And that's all for now. Please tap that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ding that bell to get notified when I post a new video. And as always, I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye.